sit back, relax, and prepare for J Day. Okay? Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet, and welcome to March Madness. Okay, if y'all already know, it's Pisces season and your girl is a Pisces girl. So March Madness is the countdown to J Day, aka my birthday, which is on March 9th. So that means I'll be giving you a video every single day in March until we hit my birthday. That is a total of 9 videos plus the regular ones, okay? Expect beauty content, hair tutorials, the vloggy vlogs, okay? Everything that I can give you, I'm gonna go ahead and give you in the countdown to J Day. If you're interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. And I'll see y'all in March Madness. Period.